was a sunny morning on the farm. Lily played near the haystack, and Bob chased butterflies while the animals munched happily. Then, the barn door creaked open by itself. No one was there. Suddenly, animals scattered. Chickens ran. A piglet squealed and darted off. "Bob, the animals!" Lily cried. Bob took off, racing to the barn. The door creaked again. He sniffed the air. Something was off. A snake slithered from the shadows, heading for the chickens. Lily was nearby, chasing the piglet. "Woof! Woof!" Bob barked, guarding her from danger. Farmer Joe arrived just in time, stick in hand. The snake was gone. The animals were safe. Bob had saved the day. That evening, Lily hugged him tight. "Thanks, Bob," she whispered. He wagged his tail,